Welcome in BuyOrBuyNot, the worst YouTube review channel. Today, a Aula Expert Gaming Combo, a keyboard and a mouse that comes in one box. This is my second review of this very device, as my first review totally sucked and nobody liked it. So I will try to do it again, this time properly. What you are getting in the box is a keyboard that is made out of cheap plastic. The characters on the keyboard will fade just after 2 weeks of gaming. That's why the company has decided to provide you with clear keys that you can install instead of the keys that you use most often. The producer of this very device is going to equip you with this very item that is a removal tool for the keys. The producer of this very device is going to provide us with this very tool for removing the keys that you want to change. The procedure is going to be very simple. This is a backlit device, so what you are getting here is just backlight behind the keys, so characters, they are not going to be lit up. There is a light intensity setting. I have to add that this is a wired setup and this very keyboard is extremely responsive, so very good for gaming. Nevertheless, I am going to subtract some points for fading characters on the keys, because they do fade quite quickly. In my less than humble opinion, the mouse is made even better. The mouse is equipped in non-blinding sensor that will work on any surface. There is forward and back button and sometimes handy double click button. You have your DPI controls here and the scroll that is a third button as well. So let's sum up. In my opinion, this is a good buy. I give this product 80 points. Because in my opinion it is a bit too expensive. If you were to get it for less than $40, it would be 100 out of 100. But remember that the keys are going to fade after a while and the backlight is just a decorative feature and it will not help you to type if you don't know the keyboard by heart. So if you are to buy it for less than $40, it's a good buy, buy it. But if I were to buy a Aula product again, I would buy a very similar keyboard with transparent characters on the keys that can be actually lit. Well, remember to thumb up this video and remember to subscribe and leave me a comment. Thank you, bye bye.